Welcome to DARKMEN, dear clients. DARKMEN is a fashion company that sells plus-size women clothes as wholesale. There is a factory and 3 stores of DARKMEN in Istanbul. We serve customers from all the countries. For you, our reliable clients, it is possible to make order online by using our website, internet shop, our social media accounts, and our Telegram channels. This is the screen of our social media account of Instagram. Every day we make live broadcasts. And the model that you view here, it's possible to view it also in the Telegram channel. If you know the code of the model, it is possible to view it by its sizes, prices, colors, videos, photos, and measurements. And also, for you, our dear reliable clients, you can use our online store for making order. There we have categories. Just click one of them. Here we have models. Put them to your charts and finish your order. Thank you.